Welcome to Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter. This is room number 4336. We were in building 4 and had a garden view room. This room sleeps 4 and had a double vanity. Themed to the Princess and the Frog, you'll notice details like Princess Tiana's crown or musical instruments celebrating all things jazz. See the links below for Disney's main page, the Wikipedia page to the whole Port Orleans Resort, which includes mentions of the sister resort named Riverside, and consider clicking the like button if you enjoyed touring this room.